Hello and welcome to another update video on MSTR. This is the Strategy Inc. chart, and I have outlined here how I really would like to see this upside bounce develop, but there is absolutely no upside momentum at the moment. And from that point of view, we need to understand that it's not really confirmed yet that a fourth wave bounce has started. Now, in previous updates, we talked again and again about this resistance area and the $235 level, which is the 38.2 retracement, is usually an ideal resistance level and target, you could say, for a fourth wave. So a fourth wave bounce is due, but I gotta say, Bitcoin has performed a little better over the last 48 hours. And so I'm not quite sure if MSTR has really started this fourth wave bounce. This is really just sideways consolidation. I have a slight upward bias, but not really as a proper uptrend, rather as a short-term bounce, okay? A short-term bounce is definitely possible in this wave four to possibly $235 because that is typically an ideal target for a fourth wave. Now, we already saw yesterday that the market is just moving sideways. And as I said, I show here how this could unfold, this bounce. Now, the initial move could simply be an ABC in wave A. This move down looks like a 5-wave move into today's low. So it might just be the A wave of the B wave. So 3 waves up in A, 3 waves down in B, which shows we could grind a little bit more sideways before the market makes a decision to turn around to the upside. And then we could see a C wave to the upside, potentially with a slight break above resistance, the trend line. But that's all very, very speculative at this point because, look, the market hasn't really done much. It would help to break above the previous swing lows here and break above that $191 level. Yeah, that's a key level. And then maybe there should be another BC pattern because this ABC completes the larger A wave, then a B wave and a C wave. Very, very complex and theoretical concept here at the moment. I just want to give you an idea roughly of what could be playing out here, what I'm watching for at least. This is not a prediction or anything. This is simply how typically a wave 4 corrective bounce would unfold. Specifically as an ABC structure, it would do that normally. But yeah, the ABC structure to the upside so far isn't really well developed yet. And it's not even clear if we actually started any move to the upside. So please take all of this at the moment with a pinch of salt. Once I see some upside momentum develop here, then I will be back with an update, of course. Yeah, low confidence at this point. The immediate resistance area is on the chart as well. It is between $181 and $191. These are the levels to watch, yeah? But I don't really see a clear 5-wave move up or any upside momentum that would strongly suggest a larger bounce has started. But of course, I'll be watching for it. By the way, in case we get another low, just in case you're wondering, the next support level is around $155. I don't think there is much more to talk about today, but I still wanted to give you the update. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, yeah, check out our memberships. Bye-bye.